Hi, it's Raphael with Chess House, and I'm excited to give this gift to the St. Louis Chess Club in recognition of your great work there. And I'd like to explain what this is, the Stack chessboard. So let's take a look. This is a very special chessboard that I designed, and it's been very popular. What you see here is a 4-layer board called the Stack. It's got a suede cover and magnets. Now compare that to a player's chessboard like this with championship pieces. Obviously it can be presented in a very unique way in a very compact space. So it's a very unique chessboard, and let me show you how this works. That is the Stack chessboard. It's a hardwood, maple, and Wengate wood with magnets holding it together. On this board, you could place these championship pieces. And so on. So I'd like to show you as well how this reassembles back into the suede wrap right here. So lift it from either side like this, and take one of the quadrants and just place it in like this with these magnets along this side, and especially this corner showing in the front. And then we have this to make sure there's no dust particles between the layers. Take the next one. And the last one. Now the magnets on this side will come right up to it, and the same on this side here. So that is the Stack, and these pieces will be included with it. These championship pieces right here, as well as a couple bags for both colors of those pieces. So this is a very special chessboard, one that I designed, and it has become very popular, and I'm excited to present this to you and support the St. Louis Chess Club at the same time. Enjoy.